Hello. Well, sorry I'm out of breath. We're at the cabin and doing some more cleanup. Mainly these branches. Tired of getting stuck in the head with them when I'm mowing, so only a few more to go.
That's a big one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're just about there. Well, been doing some cleanup around here. It's looking pretty good. Ooh, there it goes. That was a very large branch. Yee. Much better. Uh-oh. What happened? Chief. Hi, baby. Oh, hi. Hi, puppy. Hi, baby boy. the edges.
The little kiddos like the sprinkler. It's pretty cute. They've been going underneath there and laying down. Pretty cute. I'll just film from here up so you don't see my privates. Anyway, a lot of work done today from this young lady too. My goodness. The lawn looks great. And then you've seen the pressure washing of the dock. That certainly needed it. But yeah, other than the field out there, and honestly, I'm not gonna mow it. Not this year. We'll see if anyone else wants to do it. If not, oh well, it'll just stay that way. So anyway, just got done swimming the doggies. Well, this one. And Ellie, she's now rolling in dirt, making mud. So anyway, time to shower and make dinner. Enough work for today. Well, that's it. Yep. Done at the cabin this time. We got the lawn pretty close to being perfect. Got a sprinkler going right now. It's on a timer. Everything's set up on timers. There's the Billy. So, yeah. Hopefully the next trip, all we have to worry about is a few little things and mow. And then I think it's play in the water time. So, puppies are ready to go home. Are you guys ready to go home? Huh? Are you ready? Yeah. Alright, puppies. So Teresa's just shutting down the fifth wheel. And got the Jeep warming up and cooling off. It feels warm today, very humid. So anyway, we'll catch you guys back on the farm. Well, hello everyone, back on the farm. Just got home from doing a little training with the fire department and doing a cow check, checking on everyone. And Buster, as I pulled in, was throwing a fit. He kept doing, thrashing the water, all that kind of stuff. Parked, let the dogs out, came around the front, and we have another bull. And he might be friendly, might not be. Don't know. He's a lot bigger than Buster. Don't ruin my fence. So yeah, called the rancher from down below. It's obviously one of his bulls. So unfortunately, him and his family are at the grocery store, and it's gonna be a minute before he gets up here. So yeah, kind of wondering what the heck to do. I mean, I don't mind jumping in with Buster and shooing him away, but Hey, get off the fence. Yeah, so see, when he looks at me like that, not digging it. Not digging it at all. So, oh, he's posturing. So I think, I don't know if I get the side-by-side out and try to run him down the road. I don't really know. He's not doing anything unless he breaks my fence, then he's doing something. But look at the size difference. And I know it's kind of far away, but get your head out of there. Hey! Shh. He doesn't listen very well. He wouldn't make a good pet, so yeah. I'll let you know what I figure out. Hold on. All right, I've managed to get him out of our driveway, at least. But now he's stuck here eating alfalfa. A few rocks at him. And it gets him moving, but you know what, as long as he's being calm, I'm not gonna chase him too hard. I'll wait for the ranch manager to come and do what he wants to do. So his buddies are down here, probably black dots that you can see. They're calling for him. You can probably hear Buster up there carrying on, wanting his buddy back. So slowly but surely we're getting them. We need to get them past our property and then down to that other fence line, and hopefully by that time the ranch manager will be up here. But I have the gates closed to our place, so not that it would stop that thing. He's absolutely huge. Probably just step over him. Anyway, yeah. If he comes charging at me, I'll try to remember to turn the GoPro on. Well, Buster's friend is gone. He's headed, you can see probably the black dot there. He's headed to the other fence line, so I just texted the ranch manager and told him he'd be on that fence line with the other bulls. And he's still heading in that direction, so I'm totally shocked that our ladies over here didn't raise heck with him. So that's a plus, right? Anyway, beautiful night, t-shirt weather. Head back up to the farm, open the gates, and everything should be good. So yeah, we'll try not to do something like that again tomorrow, but you never know. So we'll see you tomorrow at some point. Well, good morning. It is a fresh day. There's Buster. And he's hollering at the girls. So, today, this morning, it's a little before 7. And I gotta get this hay situated and covered because we're supposed to get rain the next few days. So, let me fire up the tractor. Wait for the glow plugs, and then we'll get things going.
Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
Just in the nick of time. Rain coming. And we have a winter weather forecast this weekend, which is very odd, but yeah, gonna do the barbecue today. That thing there. Film a little bit of it, not a lot. Got a wedding that I'm cooking for. Some barbecued baked beans and pulled pork. So yeah, Chief. Anyway, hope you have a good morning. Talk to you later.